Hey loves, so we're having a windstorm here on the Oregon coast, and I'm not sure if you can hear it. It woke me straight up at 5 o'clock in the morning with a ton of energy. I don't know if you can hear it. I have my candle going so you can actually see my face. So I'm going to make this video as an energy video and share some of this abundant energy that I have from this beautiful windstorm. I'm trying to make sure my candle doesn't tip over or blow out. I hope that you have a beautiful and blessed Monday. I hope you can hear that. It's just crazy, but it's giving me so much energy. Love and light and namaste, and have a beautiful Monday.